So prepare yourself because what you are about to see will blow your mind. Space is vast, mysterious, and awe-inspiring, filled with wonders that continue to amaze and intrigue us. From distant galaxies to the depths of our own solar system, there are countless things in space that defy explanation and leave us in awe. But before we begin, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Also stick around until the end because the last one is truly out of this world. Number 1, a symphony of silence. Imagine floating in space, surrounded by infinite darkness. The silence is deafening. But wait, what is that sound? Silence, as we know it, is the absence of sound. So in space, where there is no air to transmit sound waves, it should be utterly silent, right? Well, not exactly. Picture this: a sudden rumble echoes through the cosmos, a deep, resonant sound that seems to shake the very foundations of your being. But how can sound exist in the vacuum of space? You might be surprised to learn that space is not truly a perfect vacuum. Certain regions of space contain pockets of gas and dust, creating an environment where sound can travel. It's like whispers carried on the cosmic wind. In 2009, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory detected a chorus of low-frequency sounds emanating from a massive cluster of galaxies known as the Perseus. These sounds, too low for human ears to detect, were caused by the movement of hot gas within the galaxy cluster. It's as if the universe itself is playing a symphony of cosmic whispers, and all we have to do is tune in to hear its ancient song. Number 2, Diamond Planet. In the realm of gemstones, diamonds hold a special allure. They symbolize luxury, power, and eternal love. But what if I told you that somewhere in the vast expanse of space lies a planet made entirely of diamonds? You might scoff and dismiss it as a fantasy, but science fiction isn't as far-fetched as you might think. Enter 55 Cancri E, an exoplanet located 40 light-years away in the constellation Cancer. This enigmatic planet is twice the size of Earth and 8 times its mass, making it a fascinating subject of study for astronomers. What truly sets 55 Cancri E apart is its composition. Scientists believe that the planet's mantle is rich in carbon, the fundamental building block of life on Earth. Under extreme temperatures and pressures, carbon atoms bond together, forming a crystalline lattice, nothing less than diamond. In other words, 55 Cancri E could be a colossal diamond of immense beauty and value. Just imagine the possibilities. If we could harness the resources of such a planet, it would mean a lifetime supply of diamonds for generations to come. But unfortunately, a trip to this celestial gem mine is beyond our reach. With its scorching surface temperature of around 2,000 degrees Celsius, 55 Cancri E is an inhospitable place for humans. Its atmosphere is thick with hydrogen and helium, making it nearly impossible for us to survive. Furthermore, the planet's orbit takes it extremely close to its star, meaning we would need advanced technology to withstand the intense radiation. Perhaps one day in the future, we will find a way to visit 55 Cancri E and uncover its secrets. But for now, it remains a distant dream. No. 3. A cosmic water park. Picture this: a vast expanse of space dotted with sparkling celestial bodies. As you gaze upon this cosmic tapestry, you might spot a peculiar blue hue enveloping certain exoplanets. What gives? Could there really be water in space? The answer is a resounding yes. And it's not just a smattering of H2O. We're talking about an astronomical amount of water vapor floating around our universe. A few billion years ago, scientists discovered a colossal cloud of water vapor around WASP 39b, an exoplanet located 700 light-years away. This extraordinary find was made by the European Southern Observatory's High-Accuracy Radio Velocity Planet Searcher, or HARPS. The water vapor was detected through a method known as transmission spectroscopy. As WASP 39b passed in front of its host star, the light filtering through the planet's atmosphere revealed the presence of water. But that's not all. The same study also detected sodium and potassium in the planet's atmosphere, indicating the potential for an ocean. This discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community and ignited the imagination of humanity. Could there be countless water worlds hidden in the depths of space just waiting to be discovered? The implications are profound. If we find a planet with both water and a habitable climate, it could mean the existence of extraterrestrial life. The search for water in space is a testament to human curiosity and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge. No. 4. A year that's shorter than a day. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, has always been a source of fascination and intrigue for astronomers. While its proximity to Earth makes it a familiar sight in the night sky, its mysterious nature has kept scientists puzzled for centuries. But perhaps one of the most peculiar aspects of Venus is its unusual rotation on its axis. Unlike Earth, which rotates on its axis roughly every 27 days, Venus spins incredibly slow, with a day lasting longer than its year. Yes, you heard that right. On Venus, a day lasts longer than a year. To be precise, Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete a single rotation on its axis, while it orbits the Sun every 225 days. This bizarre phenomenon has left astronomers scratching their heads, trying to understand the forces that have slowed down Venus' rotation. But the mystery doesn't end there. As if a year longer than a day wasn't strange enough, Venus experiences extreme temperatures reaching up to 462 degrees Celsius. This makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, it's as if Venus is shrouded in a perpetual greenhouse effect, trapping heat within its thick atmosphere. The scientific community believes that Venus' thick atmosphere and its composition play a crucial role in creating these extreme conditions. The runaway greenhouse effect is likely caused by the high concentration of carbon dioxide in Venus's atmosphere, which traps heat and raises the surface temperature. Number 5. The biggest nothing. As we continue our exploration of the cosmos, we encounter a phenomenon that defies rational understanding. A cosmic enigma that stretches the boundaries of imagination. A place where the vast emptiness of space leaves us in awe and wonder. Prepare to be amazed by the greatest nothing in the universe, the Boötes Void. Imagine venturing into the darkest depths of space, where the absence of light and matter creates an overwhelming sense of solitude. As you gaze into the abyss, you realize that what you see is not merely empty space, but an extraordinary canvas of nothingness. The Boötes Void is a vast, nearly empty region of space that covers an unimaginable distance of 330 million light-years. Within this colossal expanse, there are only a handful of galaxies, a stark contrast to the bustling star clusters and nebulae found elsewhere in the universe. The emptiness of the Boötes Void is so profound that it challenges our perception of reality. It makes us question the very nature of existence and the delicate balance that gives rise to galaxies, stars, and planets. How can there be such a vast expanse of nothing in the midst of a seemingly endless universe? The formation of the Boötes Void remains a perplexing mystery, leaving astronomers baffled by its sheer scale and emptiness. One prevailing theory suggests that the void was created by the gravitational pull of nearby galaxy clusters, which may have expelled matter and distorted the fabric of space-time. Others speculate that the Boötes Void is merely a snapshot of an evolving universe, a temporary void that will eventually be filled with galaxies and celestial wonders. The truth is, we may never fully comprehend the origins of this cosmic enigma. As we continue to explore the depths of space, the Boötes Void serves as a humbling reminder of the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding. It is a place where the greatest nothing in the universe leaves us in awe of the infinite wonders that surround us. Which of these space facts blew your mind the most? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, keep looking up and exploring the endless mysteries of the universe.